Listening sounds easy until your partner says something that makes you feel defensive. Maybe you're already preparing your comeback while they're still talking. I get it, it's human. But here's the problem. When we're in that defensive mode, we actually stop listening. We assume we already know what they're going to say, and those assumptions shut down connection. Here's the mindset shift. Move from I already know to tell me more. Instead of reacting, get curious. Replace assumptions with curiosity. Try simple curiosity starters like, help me understand what you mean, or can you walk me through how that felt for you? This shift opens up space for real listening. So here's the tool. Reflect, validate, pause, or RVP. It's simple but powerful. Reflect. Say, what I hear you saying is, put their words in their own, not a debate, just a mirror. Then validate. Say something like, that makes sense because you don't have to agree with every detail, but you can see how it makes sense how they might feel that way. And then finally, pause. This is the hardest step. Don't fix, don't rebut, just pause. Breathe, give them space to keep going. And when you use RVP, your partner feels safe to keep talking. And when they feel safe, defenses drop, theirs and yours. So let's look at two quick examples. Example 1, defensive listening. Partner says, I feel like you don't care about spending time with me anymore. Response, that's just not true. I'm just really busy. You never appreciate how hard I'm working. So what happens are the walls go up, right? Then conversation shuts down. Example 2, RVP listening. Partner says, I feel like you don't care about spending time with me anymore. Response, so what I hear you saying is you've been feeling a little neglected. Then reflect. I can see how that makes sense. I've been coming home late. That probably feels like I'm choosing work over you. Then validate. Pause, breathe, let them keep talking. Notice you didn't agree. You're not saying that you're a neglectful partner. You just made space for their reality. That's what opens the door to calmer, more honest communication. Here's what's important. Listening doesn't mean you're agreeing with everything. It doesn't mean you're guilty or wrong or giving up your point of view. It means you're creating safety. Safety for your partner to keep sharing, and that safety is what actually moves conversations forward. Here's your mini practice. Next time your partner shares something, reflect one sentence back and pause. Don't explain, don't fix, just reflect. Try on curiosity. Instead of assuming, say, help me understand what that's like for you. Even if your partner isn't doing this yet, you can lead the shift just by listening differently. And once they feel heard, they'll want to keep talking. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to speak more clearly so your words land with the same kind of power.